Welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to disable Google Lens in Google Chrome and bring back the classic Google image search. If this video helped, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. If you're tired of Google Lens showing up every time you try to search an image in Chrome, don't worry because you can still switch back to the classic image search experience. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Google Lens features in Chrome step by step. By the end of this video, your image searches should feel much cleaner and more familiar again. So first, open up your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you're using Google Chrome because these settings are specifically designed for Chrome. Once Chrome opens, move your cursor to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu icon. Click on those three dots to open Chrome's main settings menu. This menu gives you access to browser tools, settings, extensions, and customization features. After the menu opens, look for Settings and click on it. Give the page a few seconds to load completely. Now, look toward the left side menu inside Settings. Depending on your Chrome version, the layout may look slightly different, and that's completely normal. Next, look for the Search Engine section or Toolbar settings. Some newer versions of Chrome include a Google Lens toggle directly inside these settings. If you see a setting called Search with Google Lens, simply turn the toggle off. Once disabled, Chrome should start bringing back the traditional Google Images search option. If you don't see that option available, don't worry because there's another method that usually works. Go to the address bar at the top of Chrome. Now type chrome://flags and press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page where hidden browser settings can be adjusted. At the top of the page, you'll see a search box. Type Google Lens into that search bar. Chrome should now display lens-related experimental settings. Look for options related to Google Lens image search or Lens in Chrome. If the setting is enabled or set to default, click the drop-down menu beside it. Then change it to disabled. After making the change, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click the Relaunch button so the new settings can fully apply. Chrome will restart automatically and reopen your tabs. Once Chrome launches again, right-click on an image and test the image search feature. In many cases, you should now see the older Search Google for Image option instead of Google Lens. If the setting still doesn't change immediately, try restarting Chrome one more time. Google sometimes updates Chrome features gradually, so certain settings may look slightly different depending on your browser version. Also, remember that Chrome updates can occasionally re-enable Google Lens features later on, so if the feature comes back after a future update, you can simply repeat the same steps again. And that's basically it. You now know how to disable Google Lens in Google Chrome and restore the classic image search experience. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like as that helps support the channel and lets me keep making more tutorials like this.